Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Due to the current coronavirus situation, we are unable to do any new tours soon, very soon. But for now, I am going back to my Facebook Live archives that I've compiled in the last couple of years and resurrecting some of the older videos. This one is a really cool boat I was a huge fan of, so I think it'll be fun for you guys to watch. Full disclosure, it's not the best sound in an older camera, but I still think it's a really cool boat to show to you guys. So I'm doing something different this time, and all the specs will be at the end of the video. For those of you who are new to my channel, you will soon find out that I am a big fan of the word awesome. And in this video, there's going to be a lot of awesome. So in order to honor my love for awesome, I have decided to do a giveaway. Here are the rules. All you need to do is count how many times in the video I say awesome and put it down in the comments below. All the correct answers will be put in the little lottery pile where I will randomly pick out 3 lucky winners to get some naughty gear. What is naughty gear? Let me show you. And the count starts now. Don't forget the outtakes. Outtakes awesome counts as well. So Elise is going to show us around.
I just walk behind.
Can we talk about this first?
Yes, we can talk about this. So this is the brand new V68, and this is Hull 1. Being that it's Hull 1, we really wanted to showcase what the model is all about, which is family fun and owner operating. So in place of crew, we put a beach club.
Nice.
If somebody wants crew, obviously you can outfit it.
Yeah, but 68 is great for like owner operators. So that's awesome.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Can I check
Of
it out?
course, go down.
After, I didn't realize.
After anybody?
Yes, please.
This is awesome. Really cool. So crew quarters would be laid out.
Yes, crew quarters will be laid out. You can put your stateroom over here with your head and crew mess, and then that's actually an electrical closet. So you can keep that as is, but if you open it up, great access to everything.
Oh, this is amazing.
That's awesome.
Check it out. Kind of going backwards, but why not? Going backwards. Caterpillars.
Yeah, this has got C18 1136 Caterpillars, twin Onan 29 kilowatt generators, bow and stern thrusters, water makers, zero-speed stabilizers. You know, we trick out our boats for the market.
Very cool. Awesome.
And I love
nice
this feature
access
too. Look at the sight gauges for fuel.
Oh, yeah.
Backlight.
Lit up.
Rico's like appreciating that.
It's like a piece of art in the
It's
engine
awesome.
room.
I mean, look at the access. It's amazing. You know, wow. It's great. Well, you guys were definitely my favorite boat last year. Remember, this is a 68 powerboat. That's really important. 68 feet. Feels like 82.
So nice spacious aft deck. And we did a folding door with this opening window.
Oh, very cool.
Because when you walk in, you now have the outdoors right here in the salon.
All opens up. Feels like the back of a cat. Very cool. It gives you a nice entertainment platform.
Yes. Wet bar when you first walk in, obviously a necessity.
Yes.
Nice big open salon as well.
Very cool. Oh, it's nice. I like how it sort of tears up. It's really great. Oh, this is beautiful.
Nice little accent piece separating the salon. Big open galley as well.
Really nice. Oh, it was like, did you see me? I tried to step up, but actually nice and flat. Felt like it's a step up, but it's not. Oh, it's all one level. This is great.
Big open windows.
Massive.
This is something you're going to see on a lot of Horizons in the future. Obviously, bringing the outdoor experience inside, unparalleled views when you're underway. It's all about natural light.
And it feels like the walkways they're just deeper.
They're just
deeper. So low. It's amazing. Doesn't block any view.
So yeah, we're not sacrificing safety for the view.
Yeah.
We still have nice high bulwarks.
Yeah, they're super deep. That's really cool. Oh, that's great. All
Really
right,
cool.
keep going. So this chairs actually could be moved over here for the breakfast bar. You coming down? What? What's the beam on this?
19 foot 6 inches.
Actually feels wider, isn't it?
That fits really wide, yeah.
Yeah. It feels bigger. Look how wide it is here.
3 staterooms, all en suite, so every stateroom has its own.
I feel like, I mean, most of the time you're kind of doing this, but like this is really spacious. If you run into someone in a hallway, you actually could just walk by them normal.
And not have to do the weird
Yeah,
side
exactly.
stuff.
The boat side stuff. All right, master.
Yep, master's
Let's
app.
start with the master.
Yes. So the master is full beam. You have a nice sofa here, vanity there, and then obviously access to your head off to the side.
We've spent some time in the 82 Ocean Alexandra, and this really feels kind of compatible.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, really. And we're talking big size difference. Amazing use of space.
That's really the trend that we're
Wow.
seeing in the market. People
I love
want
it.
a lot more volume and a smaller boat.
boats.
Yep.
And that's a lot of what the FD was at when you saw last
Exactly,
year.
yeah.
And
The 80,
68 has
the
gone.
85 was my
Yeah.
favorite boat last year on the show.
Look at this! Look at this shower. Having a sliding door in the closet. I mean, just brilliant, use of space. Oh, this hallway is amazing.
The twin guest staterooms, the beds slide together. So for flexibility, if
Of
you've
course
got
they do. Oh, wow, it's great. I actually really like the color. It's light, but it feels really big because of it. It's a nice. How many options, like wood options, do you guys have actually?
a lot.
A lot, right?
Honestly, the whole boat can be customized from the wood to the lacquer to the stone to the flooring to the carpet, fabrics. We have in-house interior design teams that will basically present you with every option imaginable.
Very cool. Yeah, I like this. Feels very summery. Like, oh, hello. Wow, look at the size of the heads.
So we put in a door,
Awesome.
so it could be a day head if
Yeah, yeah,
necessary,
it's awesome.
but it's a huge head for a VIP as
Oh
well.
my god.
And 68 feet. Remind yourself, 68
Yeah,
feet.
and this is a full walk around. I mean, and like actually tall. I'm up on this little step and it's super tall. Like, wow.
A lot of
this
headroom
is-
for forward cabin.
I'm kind of bummed I'm seeing this boat, one of the first boats this show, because I don't know where I'm going from here.
Just come back and look at it.
I know, right?
again.
I might have to look at it again. But really, it's just an amazing use of space. I'm just impressed.
Thank you.
Closets. Constantly getting asked about
And
closets.
other side as well.
Oh, both sides.
Yes.
Yes.
And then you have a larger one down on the starboard
I
side.
am a larger one. Oh yeah. Wow. That's big. Very nice. Oh, I can't wait to see the fly bridge. Look at this. Nice
You even
enclosure.
have a day head app as well.
You know, okay, I was gonna say I missed the day head on the 85.
Oh wow!
But there is a day head.
No way. On the fly bridge.
On the fly bridge.
Where it's supposed
Oh,
to
you
be.
guys are killing it. This is amazing. Wow, I almost said like, just the day head is missing. It's not missing. Wow, this is great use of space. Really great. I mean, the enclosure is super nice. Almost feels like it's just standard.
I would have made the front panel a little bigger.
The window.
Yeah, the window. The big panels are hard to come by sometimes because it requires such an extensive use of the Easy 2CY.
Right.
Yeah.
But this feels
But
like
it's
actually
very-
a standard enclosure.
Yeah.
Like it kind of feels like.
And it's nice. It is brought, although we have it open, it's brought all the way back. You know?
Totally.
So if you need to put heat up here, if it's not great weather, if it's a little bit cool, you have the option.
This would work for. And it's got the barbecue and all the bells and whistles. I mean, it is, but it feels even wider. It just really feels like an 80-foot boat. Great.
So now we have to take you to the bow so you can see the bow seat.
Yes, please.
Where do you put the tender? Swim deck? Swim platform?
You can put the tender on the swim platform, yes. Yes.
Or would you have an optional crane option
You
for
can have it not, yes. There's a crane option for up here as well. We could
This would go away.
Yeah, we would scale back the bar or move it inside and reconfigure it up here. That's so easily done with our flexibility. That would be not a problem at all.
I like this.
Are you ready for more?
Can you wrap it up with a bow?
I can't do that. I
Okay.
can't do that. A big red one.
Oh yes. I'll take a white one. I don't really care. I mean, a white bow would go with it too. I love the super thick railing. I mean, this railing feels like a big boat. Really nice.
easy to tie the fender.
Isn't this beautiful? Wow. Like 20 people could be on this boat. It would just feel like nothing.
Yeah, that's true. With all these
Really?
different entertainment areas,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean,
especially with the beach club.
yeah, it's just so spacious.
Outdoor entertaining areas was another part of the design of this boat.
Yeah.
Again, people want to see that. They don't want to be indoors all the time. They want to be out here enjoying the environment.
What's the asking price for this one?
3.8.
It's actually reasonable.
All be yours for 3.8.
And then the FT85's next door. Her favorite.
Yeah,
What is this?
yeah, I like the
That's a
85.
pop-up light. So
Oh, nice.
the lights pop up.
Nice.
The lights.
Do it again.
Press it.
Yeah, press, down
Twist.
and turn.
Do it again.
Awesome. That's awesome. Wow, that's really awesome. Oh, it's just great. That feels like could be another layout pad.
It definitely, yeah, it could be up there.
I mean, I never can. So this concludes our tour of Horizon V68. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop some comments below of what you think of this boat. Like, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and please share. That also really helps. That's that little air goes. 4 simple things make a huge difference in helping my channel grow. Ciao! Bye. The real behind the scenes. Okay, it's happening. All right, let's do it. Let's do it, Elise.
Okay.
I'll come with.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're touring the Horizon V68. This is the East Coast debut for this boat. Go to my Facebook Live right now, or you guys can watch it later.
What's it?
Yachts USA.
Horizon, yep.
Oh, this is really great.
Watch out. Stop.
I almost ate it.
I got it on video.
That's funny. That's funny.
There's an E.
There is an E. I really appreciate you guys liking, comment. Just hit that thumbs up button. You guys should see it.